The Indian Scout Bobber has always been a symbol of rebellion, style, and raw power. In 2025, Indian Motorcycle has taken this iconic machine and refined it further, blending classic bobber aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. For Speed Society, this bike isn't just another cruiser, it's a statement. A statement that pays homage to the past while embracing the future. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is here, and it's ready to dominate the streets with its aggressive stance, thunderous engine, and unmatched attitude. Whether you're a die-hard bobber fan or a rider looking for a machine that stands out from the crowd, the Scout Bobber demands attention. Let's dive deep into what makes this motorcycle a true masterpiece. The legacy of the Indian Scout Bobber. The Indian Scout name carries over a century of heritage, tracing its roots back to the original Scout of the 1920s, a bike known for its reliability, speed, and versatility. The modern Scout Bobber, introduced in 2018, took that legacy and stripped it down to its bare essentials, creating a minimalist yet powerful machine. The 2025 iteration builds on that foundation, refining every detail while staying true to the bobber's core philosophy: less is more. This bike isn't about flashy gimmicks, it's about pure riding pleasure. The Scout Bobber has always been about attitude, and the 2025 model amplifies that with sharper lines, improved performance, and modern tech that doesn't compromise its raw appeal. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is a visual masterpiece, blending classic bobber styling with contemporary aggression. The blacked-out treatment dominates the bike, from the exhaust to the forks, giving it a sinister, no-nonsense look. The chopped fenders, solo seat, and minimalistic bodywork stay true to the bobber ethos, while the LED lighting and refined finishes add a touch of modern sophistication. The tank is sleek yet muscular, with the iconic Indian motorcycle badge proudly displayed. The handlebars are low and wide, reinforcing the aggressive riding position. Every angle of this bike exudes confidence, making it clear that this isn't just a cruiser, it's a statement on two wheels. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Scout Bobber lies the legendary liquid-cooled 1,133 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, now tuned for even more responsive power delivery. With 100-plus horsepower and over 70 lb-ft of torque, this engine doesn't just perform, it dominates. The torque curve is perfectly optimized for real-world riding, delivering instant throttle response whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through city streets. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, a signature growl that announces the Scout Bobber's presence long before it arrives. Paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission, this engine ensures that every ride is an exhilarating experience. Technology and features. While the Scout Bobber stays true to its minimalist roots, Indian hasn't held back on modern tech. The 2025 model features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all essential information without cluttering the bike's clean lines. Ride modes, including Sport and Standard, allow riders to tailor the throttle response and traction control to their preferences. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless integration with smartphones, offering turn-by-turn navigation and music control. LED lighting ensures visibility, while ABS and traction control provide an added layer of safety. The Scout Bobber proves that you don't need excessive gadgets to be advanced, just the right tech in the right places. Handling and comfort. Despite its aggressive stance, the 2025 Scout Bobber is surprisingly nimble. The lightweight chassis and low seat height make it easy to maneuver, whether you're filtering through traffic or taking on tight corners. The suspension is tuned for a firm yet compliant ride, striking a perfect balance between sporty handling and long-distance comfort. The foot pegs are mid-mounted, offering a natural riding position that doesn't strain the back or wrists. Riding experience. Riding the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is an experience unlike any other. The moment you twist the throttle, the V-twin's power surges forward, delivering an adrenaline rush that never gets old. The handling is precise, allowing you to carve through corners with ease, while the brakes provide strong, predictable stopping power. The bike feels alive beneath you, responding to every input with precision. Whether you're cruising down a coastal highway or navigating urban streets, the Scout Bobber makes every ride feel special. Upgrades over previous models. The 2025 Scout Bobber isn't just a minor refresh, it's a significant step forward. The engine has been fine-tuned for smoother power delivery, while the exhaust system has been optimized for better sound and performance. The suspension has been upgraded to improve ride quality, and the braking system now offers even more confidence-inspiring stopping power. The inclusion of ride modes and Bluetooth connectivity brings the Scout Bobber firmly into the modern era without diluting its raw character. Who is this for? The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is for riders who demand more than just transportation. It's for those who see motorcycling as an expression of individuality. If you want a bike that turns heads, delivers thrilling performance, and carries a legacy of rebellion, this is the machine for you. It's ideal for urban riders who appreciate agile handling, as well as highway cruisers who crave power and presence. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is positioned as a premium offering, with a price tag that reflects its high-quality craftsmanship and performance. While exact pricing may vary by region, expect it to be competitive with other high-end cruisers in its class. Indian motorcycle dealerships worldwide will have the bike available, with various customization options to make it truly your own. Final thoughts. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, offering raw power, stunning design, and modern tech in one irresistible package. For Speed Society, this bike represents the essence of what makes riding special: freedom, excitement, and an unapologetic attitude. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Scout lineage or a newcomer to the Bobber scene, the 2025 model is bound to leave a lasting impression. It's not just a bike you ride, it's a bike you experience. And once you do, there's no going back. That's it for our deep dive into the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Speed Society. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the Scout Bobber, or do you prefer something else? Ride hard, ride fast, and we'll see you on the next one.